Reverse infertility and get pregnant. This is a review of 2 excellent pregnancy products. 1. To reverse infertility and get pregnant naturally in 60 days. 2. New pregnancy approach, thus keeping your little one and the parents happy and healthy. What is the Pregnancy Miracle System? The proven 5-step multidimensional pregnancy miracle system. This has helped over 137,266 people worldwide to discover the key to tackling all infertility disorders, thus restoring hormonal balance and reproductive health by fixing the root cause of infertility, helping you give birth to a healthy baby faster than you ever thought possible. Benefits. 1. The 4 things you must do right now before even attempting to get pregnant naturally. 2. The top 7 worst foods you should never eat when you are struggling to get pregnant. Did you know, for example, that there is a certain beverage that can decrease your chances of conceiving by 50%? 3. Discover the first most important element that when eliminated can virtually dissolve over 85% of all infertility cases, and almost 98% of women do it. 4. A single task you can do right now to determine exactly when you ovulate so you will not miss your fertility window. 5. Follow this easy 3-step protocol to guarantee it will dramatically boost your partner's sperm count and motility like nothing else. 6. Warning. Don't use any makeup that contains the following ingredient. If you do so, you will be struggling to get pregnant for years. 7. Boosts your odds to get pregnant by up to 317%. This is the first review of an excellent pregnancy system. To get the first pregnancy miracle system, just click the link below. Keep watching for the second review. New pregnancy approach. This will work with tubal obstructions as well. Take a leap of faith and give this system a try for yourself. Follow this guide and turn the fertility switch within your body all the way on. Know instantly when your body is becoming infertile and how to immediately correct it. This is the second review on the new pregnancy approach. Discover how to turn the fertility switch on and have the baby you desire. Just simply click the link below.
For more such informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.